The world of software development is changing rapidly. Gone are the days of monolithic applications and cumbersome deployments. Today, the industry is moving towards a more agile and efficient approach with containerization at its forefront. This revolution is changing how we build, ship, and run applications, and it's time for web developers to take notice. Containerization, like shipping containers revolutionize global trade, offers a standardized way to package and deploy applications. Just as shipping containers protect goods and ensure they arrive safely, software containers encapsulate applications with all their dependencies, ensuring consistency and reliability across different environments. At the heart of this revolution is Docker, an open-source platform that makes building, shipping, and running applications in containers easier than ever. Imagine Docker as a toolkit specifically designed for creating, managing, and deploying applications within these lightweight containers. Docker uses a simple yet powerful set of concepts: images, containers, and Docker Hub. Docker images are like blueprints for your application, containing everything needed to run it. Containers are the live running instances of those images. Docker Hub is a cloud-based repository where you can store and share your Docker images. While Docker provides the tools to containerize your applications, managing them at scale can be challenging. That's where Kubernetes comes in. Kubernetes is an open-source platform that automates deploying, scaling, and managing containerized applications. Think of Kubernetes as the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring every instrument plays its part harmoniously. It groups containers into logical units called pods and manages their deployment, scaling, and networking, allowing you to focus on building your application. Section 4 CI/CD, the backbone of modern development. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, better known as CI/CD, is a set of practices that are crucial for modern software development. They enable developers to integrate code changes frequently and automatically deploy them to production, resulting in faster release cycles and higher software quality. CI involves merging code changes from multiple developers into a shared repository frequently, followed by automated builds and tests to catch errors early. CD takes this a step further by automatically deploying the tested code changes to production environments, ensuring your users always have access to the latest features and bug fixes. Section 5. Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD in perfect harmony. Docker and Kubernetes are essential for implementing efficient CI/CD pipelines. Docker provides a consistent environment for building and testing applications throughout the CI/CD process. At the same time, Kubernetes automates the deployment and scaling of these containerized applications, making continuous delivery seamless. Imagine a scenario where a developer pushes code changes to a repository. With a CI/CD pipeline, these changes would be automatically built into a Docker image, tested thoroughly in a containerized environment, and seamlessly deployed to a Kubernetes cluster, all without manual intervention. Section 6, the benefits, why web developers should embrace the change. The benefits of adopting Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD for web developers are numerous. These technologies empower developers to build, deploy, and scale applications faster and more efficiently. With Docker, developers can package their applications with all their dependencies, eliminating the dreaded "it works on my machine" problem and ensuring consistent behavior across different environments. Kubernetes simplifies the deployment and management of these containerized applications, allowing developers to scale their applications effortlessly and handle increased traffic. By embracing CI/CD, web developers can automate their software delivery process, leading to faster release cycles, quicker feedback from users, and improved software quality. Section 7 conclusion. Embark on your containerization journey. The containerization revolution is here, and it's here to stay. Docker and Kubernetes, coupled with CI/CD practices, empower web developers to build, deploy, and scale applications with unprecedented speed and efficiency. As the web development landscape evolves, it's more important than ever for developers to stay ahead of the curve. By embracing these technologies, web developers can unlock a world of possibilities, delivering exceptional applications that meet the ever-growing demands of the modern digital world. So take the leap, dive into the world of containers and embark on your containerization journey today.